See any meat? Is it all at the
It's
bottom?
in the bottom. Good. Why James is crying, Daddy? Look, you have tears.
Oh, what? Is it too hot? Is that what's
Uh-huh.
in? Why would his eyes be watering?
James.
It was the corn, huh? Corn's still pretty hot.
Enjoy your soup.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Snacks.
Snacks. High five, yeah.
This kid, your milk is already cold.
Ready for your milk, James?
Update sa ating marinated beef chuck. Wow! Ayun na siya, nagmantika na siya guys. Hindi ko pa yan nalagyan ng tubig, di ba? Parang masarap na siya. Oh. Ayan, hayaan lang natin siyang maluto sa sarili niyang mantika. Maya-maya na lang natin siya lagyan ng tubig para malambot. Kasi normally pinapalambot ko yan siya at least for 30 to 45 minutes. Depende. So, ayun lang guys. And then, kumulo na din yung ating soup. Ayan. Ayan lang natin siya. Update sa ating broccoli. Ayan na siya. Naka-broil na by the way. Kasi yung gusto ni Dominic, dapat daw yung nag-burn-burn yung effect ng broccoli. Yung charred, kumbaga. So, ayan guys. Ayan. $525 na siya. So, ayan. Hayaan lang natin siyang medyo umitim-itim yung broccoli. Kasi yun yung request niya. Crunchy daw. Ayan. Milk time si Baby James. Siya na yan guys, umiinom ng gatas niya. Finish your milk, ha? Finish your milk. Wala akong beb dito sa baba, kaya ito na lang yung damit niya yung ginamit ko. Laki niya guys. Oh, tingnan yung bata ko, 2 years old. Ang haba ng paa. Sabi ko sa kanya, Bi, magpataas ka, Bi, ha? Para mag-basketball ka, Bi. Ito yung guys, paa niya guys. Oh, ang haba. Buyag. I love you. Finish your milk. Guys, next natin na i-prepare is yung ating chicken. Malapit na tayong matapos, in fairness. So, hindi na natin huhugasan yung chicken, guys. So, normally, hinihiwa ko lang siya. Kasi maliliit din naman na. So, usually, hinihiwa ko lang siya ng... Ayan. So, like, for example, ito. Hinihiwa ko lang siya ng isang hiwa dyan sa gitna. Para manood talaga yung marinate natin mamaya. Meron tayo ditong garlic. I-mince ng food processor natin siya, guys. Ready na siya. And hahatiin natin siya sa dalawa. Ilalagay natin dito sa ating chicken. We love garlic guys sa aming pagkain. Tsaka maraming benefits din kasi yung garlic kaya dinadamihan namin yung paglagay ng garlic. Ito naman yung ating chicken. Kinuha ko lang din dito sa ating chicken thigh guys. 2 piraso ng chicken thigh. Hiniwa-hiwa ko lang, tinanggalan ko yung skin niya. And then, i-food processor lang natin siya. At itong meat na to is gagamitin natin sa ating green beans na panggisa. Para meron namang karne yung ating green beans. Yan. Ito na siya guys. Yung ating chicken. Lagyan na natin sa plato. Giniling na chicken. Guys, gigisahin natin to kasama yung green beans natin. Yung ating chicken thigh na ating i-bake. Nilagay ko na dyan yung ating minced garlic. Lagyan pa natin siya guys ng iba pang spices. Ayan. Dito wala naman akong specific na recipe talaga kung ano lang yung spices. Yun na yung nilalagay ko. First, meron tayo ditong chicken rub. Ayan guys. Experiment na lang to ba? Pataka. tayo ng mantika or olive oil. Yan, konti lang. Yan, black pepper. Black pepper. Ang asin. Meron din tayo dito, ayan, seasoning ulit. Mix na siya ng butter, tsaka garlic, and herbs. Ayan, paprika guys, paprika. Italian seasoning. Ayan, garlic powder. More garlic. Ayan, meron tayong ayan, soy sauce, less sodium. Konti lang guys, konti lang. Lagyan din natin siya ng organic tomato ketchup. Lagyan din natin siya nitong chopped cilantro. Ayan, damihan natin. Free. Free, ayan.
Mama.
Oh, may bisita ulit si Mami. Say hi. Hi. Malambing guys, malambing na bata sa Philips talaga. Nana, why don't wanna say hi to the camera? Hi. Flying kiss. Kiss. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Kamukha kami guys. Kamukha kami Baby James. Kamukha kami Baby James. Aww. Indeed. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3. What's next? 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Very good. Woo! I love my baby boy. I love my baby boy. I love my baby. I love my baby. I love my baby boy. I love my baby boy. I love him. I love him. I love my baby boy. Yay! Bye-bye. Mix na natin siya. Why you got biscuit in there? Ay. Tingnan yung toys niya. Toddler pa more. Kalat dito, kalat doon. And then, i-arrange lang natin siya sa ating baking sheets. Ayan na siya, guys. Yung ating marinated chicken thigh. Ayan. Tapos ito yung isa natin. Diba? Mukhang masarap na, guys. Hilaw pa yan, pero mukhang masarap na siya. Don't touch it, okay? Just stay hot. Lagay natin chicken. Looks so yummy. It's yummy chicken. Oh, close. Close. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, chicken. Did you see the chicken? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, chicken. See you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, chicken. Bye-bye. Yeah, mainit. Ayan na yung chicken natin, guys. Anong ginagawa mo? Ayan, update sa ating beef. Mais. Ayan, guys. 4 na piraso ng mais yan. Sigurado, malambot na tong ating karne kasi ilang minutes na din natin tong pinakuluan, guys. Ayan, ito na yung ating vegetables sa ating nilagang baboy. And then, ngayon naman, hihiwain natin yung ating napa cabbage, guys. Ayan yung ating cabbage. Ayan na siya, guys. Ang dami. Gusto ko kasi sa nilaga maraming gulay. James, what are you doing? Mapilas ka, babe. Baby, mapilas ka. This is oil. Ayan, kumukulo na yung ating nilaga. Ilalagay na natin yung iba pa nating vegetable. Radish. Eggplant, guys. Yan, daming sabaw. Sarap umigop neto, guys, kasi malamig dito ngayon sa Ohio. Pag malambot na yung ating radish, yung iba nating gulay, ilalagay natin yung ating napa. Tapos itong ating jalapeno. Ayaw ko siyang ilagay ng maaga kasi baka maanghang. So, kailangan masarap to kasi para makakain din si James sa bowl niya.
Wow.
Baby! Oh, I'm sorry. Promise, it's gonna be worth it for your dinner. You have rice and soup, okay? You will love it. Almost there. Ayan, dito lang siya sa kitchen sa akin, guys. Oh, naglalaro lang siya. Broom! Wow! Beep, beep! Bell pepper, guys, para sa ating marinated beef. Hey, what are you doing? What you got in there? What is that? What you got? Huh? Is that banana? Give me the red bell pepper. I need to slice it. Can you give it to Mama? Huh? Can you give it to Mama, the bell pepper? Psst. James? James, give it to Mama. Please. Can I have it? The bell pepper?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Give it to Mama. Oh, where are we going? Car? And lagay na natin yung ating bell pepper. Guys. Lagyan natin ng more cilantro. Cabbage, guys. Lagay na natin para makakain na si James ng dinner niya. Yan, jalapeno. More gulay.
Ooh.
Dinner's ready.
Who's that one? The sports car?
All
Hey,
right.
you gonna take a bite?
Yes, Dominic will try my
I'm just drinking the soup part, right?
soup. Yeah.
It's really hot. Wow. A sports car? That's so cool. Am I seeing?
Papapansin naman siya.
Who wants me to kiss it? That's a cow? Hi, cow. I'm supposed to kiss
Yes. Daddy will try my soup first.
it? Try it. Can I take a piss? Oh boy. That onion on my hand, dude. There you go. Okay.
Alright. Afam trying my soup. Actually, Dominic
Come on,
or
burn. Yeah.
James, come here.
Come on, buddy.
Come here.
Is that the pig? It's really good.
It's good. Try the meat.
It's really hot right now. I'm coming.
How's it, chef? Is ready to eat?
I trust my chef, and I don't see any meat at all at the
It's
bottom.
in the bottom.
How am I supposed to know? I'm fishing. I'm getting lots of corn. You sure you put meat in there?
Yeah. We never find
I'm
any.
not sounding any
I
meat.
put a lot of meat in there and never find any.
There we go. There we go. All right.
There we go.
Really hot.
Good.
Mm.
Soft.
Yeah, very.
And James will happy to eat.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Approve.
Very much. Very good. Thank you.
Ready na guys.
Good.
Ready to eat. Okay, go with daddy.
Come on. Yeah. Wait, you got your card. You got this one. Show mommy your cards.
Prepare your dinner, boy.
Come on. Mama hand.
I'm cooking.
What's this one? Can I put it in?
Ayan guys, yung mga cards niya.
There he goes. This is his favorite one.
Yeah.
Sports car.
Why low?
Huh?
Need to charge?
Is it?
Sports car.
That's always a gift.
Oh. Sports car. Okay, I'll make you dinner, boy.
Yay! What's the next one?
Okay, how was your eat your food, dali? Wow. Did you cry? Huh? Why James is crying, Daddy? Look, you have tears.
Oh, what? Is it too hot? Is
that what's in?
Why would his eyes be watering? You okay?
It's not hot. Are you okay, boy? Look at him.
Yeah.
You have tears.
What happened? So we weren't watching you for a second.
You okay? James?
It was the corn, huh? Corn's still pretty hot. Was that just your bite?
Yeah, I ate that one. I tried it. It's a boogie.
Why are you tearing up?
Did you cry?
You think so?
I don't know. Why did you cry? B? Dinner time for baby James.
Maybe he was crying at the movie. Because he's only seen this a couple times.
And then he got rice and the meat, corn, tapos bell pepper, tapos broccoli. Enjoy, James. Enjoy your soup.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Snacks.
Snacks.
Babe, can you turn on the dryer?
Yeah.
Love you.
Okay.
Enjoy, James. Yung ating ground chicken. Guys, hindi ko na siya napakita. Nilagyan ko na pala ito ng mga spices like salt, pepper, konting toyo, garlic powder, paprika. Ayan, nalagyan na natin siya. And dapat kapag nagluto kayo ng ground meat, dapat lagi nyo siyang stir. Ayan guys, kasi namumuo yan siya. Lagyan natin siya ng natirang cilantro natin. So, luto na yung ating chicken. Tignan nyo guys, crispy and crispy. Wow! Ayan. Ganyan yung gusto namin, yung crispy yung taas niya or yung skin niya. So, ayan na siya guys. Ito na yung ating last menu for tonight. Grabe guys, mag-alas 9 na ng gabi. Ngayon pa lang ako natapos. Ito na siya. Malambot na din yung ating green beans. Ipapakita ko sa inyo pang malapitan kung ano yung mga naluto natin. Ito kay James, steamed broccoli, tsaka yung carrots. Ito naman for me and Dominic. Tatlong klaseng sausage ito. Ito yung protein namin sa breakfast kasama yung eggs. So, tig-iisa kami yan every morning and magkasya na to sa amin for 6 days. And ito naman is ravioli pasta. So, sa loob ng pasta na to guys, ng ravioli, meron siyang palaman. Like, cheeses, spinach, like that. And then, ako lang din yung gumawa ng sauce niyan. So, nilagay ko siya ng creamy sauce. And then, meron tayo ditong roasted broccoli. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto ni Dominic. Yung talagang nasusunog na yung broccoli mo guys. Kasi gusto niya kasi yung crispy. Ayan. So, ayan, roasted broccoli. Ito yung second vegetable options namin ni Dominic. It's a green beans. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng ground chicken. Ayan, guys. And ito naman yung ating pangmalakasang beef nilaga. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, konti na lang yung na 3/4 talaga, guys. Kasi, kumain na si Dominic tsaka si James. And then, ito naman yung ating baked chicken. Ayan guys. Di naman kayo nagtaka no na bakit gusto namin yung crispy. Alam nyo guys, binake ko siya ng 45 minutes and then after 45 minutes, broil. Parang may effect siya ng sinugbabay. Parang nag-grilled kasi wala kasi kaming griller. So broiled yung ginamit ko para meron tayo yung crusty. Ayan. Favorite ko yan guys. Yang medyo sunog-sunog na yan. And then, next nating protein option is yung ating marinated beef chuck. And nilagyan natin siya ng bell peppers. Normally, nilalagyan ko din siya ng onions, pero nakalimutan ko guys. Pero okay lang. And ito, so yeah, yung protein namin ni Dominic for dinner, we have 3. And then, ito yung protein for breakfast, kasama ng eggs. And we have 2 options for vegetables dito. Ayan! Ang sarap guys. Nandito na din yung ating rice. Kakalagay ko lang yan. So medyo mga siguro 30 minutes pa yan bago maluto. Rice is life. Hi baby James. How was the food? Hi. How was the food?
Good.
It's so good. Hey, bell pepper, try it. Try. How about the broccoli? Try the broccoli. Ay! Tinapon niya guys. Try the broccoli. Look, broccoli. Yummy broccoli. Here we go. Try it. Broccoli. Yummy. Ooh. Ayan. And then, ito yung corn niya. How many you got? Can you count? Say. So, we're gonna close our video.
Yeah.
Yay! Bye-bye, guys! Ayan, bigyan natin siya ng grapes. Are you done with your rice? Yeah? I'll put it on the side. If in case you still wanna pika-pika, I'll put it on the side. Yeah? Get your water, okay? Yeah, he's doing great, guys. He's almost finishing his food. Marami yan kanina. Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching, everybody! Hope nag-enjoy po kayo. And see you again for our next vlog.